Okay, what is so theta? Sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So he is asking to find the tan theta. First draw the triangle. Triangle draw చేసుకోండి. ABC is a right angle triangle. Think that angle at C. Okay, if you see from C, the opposite side will be AB. The hypotenuse will be AC. So this is 15, this is 17. So apply Pythagoras theorem. So I told you when two sides are given, if you want to find the third side, you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Hypotenuse is 17, 17 square is equal to, here opposite is 15, 15 square plus adjacent square. 17 square is how much? Tell me.
289.
2, 289. This is 225.
Yes, sir.
This is adjacent square. So bring this 225 to left side. So difference how much? 289 minus 225.
64.
Yes, 64. 64 is nothing but 8 square.
Yes, sir.
So adjacent is 8. So if you know the adjacent opposite hypotenuse, you can write any value. Not only tan. You can write cos also. Cos value రాయొచ్చు, tan value రాయొచ్చు, cot value రాయొచ్చు, ఓకే, secant value రాయొచ్చు, cosecant value రాయొచ్చు, right, by seeing this triangle. So cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse 8 by 17. Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent 15 by 8. Cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite 8 by 15. Secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent 17 by 8. Cosecant is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. Understood now? So this is the way we can write all the values.
Yes, sir.
So copy this if you want, copy. Okay, what is the second question I gave yesterday?
Secant 15 by
Okay. Tell me, secant 15 degrees by
cosecant 17 degrees 75
17 or 75?
plus
Plus
sin 72
okay, by cos 80 na?
yes sir minus tan 33
Tan 33 by
cot
cot.
57.
Okay. Okay. So if you see secant, cosecant, sin, cos, tan, cot, we have some formulas. Sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. So we have to use that concept. Why? Because sin 50, secant 15 degree value we don't know. Sin 72 value we don't know. Tan 33 also we don't know. So we know the only the values of 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. ఈ వాల్యూసే తెలుసు మనకి. Values తెలిస్తే we can substitute and we can simplify. But we don't know that values. So we know sin 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. But here is a different case. We are seeing the values of sin 15, secant 15, sin 72. So then you have to understand that we have to use this concept. Sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. What is that concept is called? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Use that concept and solve the question. So here you can see secant, we can write secant of 90 minus 15 is nothing but, okay, 90 minus 75 is nothing but 15. So either you can change the numerator denominator value, any value you can change. Okay. Okay, now you see secant of 90 minus theta is nothing but cosec theta. Cosec 75 you will get by cosec 75. Sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Here tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot. Gets cancelled, you will get 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. You will get 1. Understood now?
But denominator చిన్నదాంతో 19 minus 75 వేసేస్తే సార్ ఆన్సర్.
Denominator
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు న్యూమరేటర్ తోటి చేసిరు కదా సార్, డినామినేటర్ తోటి కూడా చేసిన వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
వస్తుంది. You can do
Okay,
in both the ways. Copy down this.
Sir, completed.
Okay, good.
Completed, sir.
What is the next question? Next question.
Sir,
Next question, what I given?
tan square 60 plus
Okay. 4
4.
times cos square 45,
Yes, sir. Plus,
plus 3 times secant square 30,
yes, sir.
plus 5
Plus,
times cos square 90
yes, sir.
by cosec
Cosec 30
30
plus,
secant 60 minus cot square 30. So tan square 60, tan 60 much root
root 3.
whole square. Cos is nothing but 1 by root 2, 45 cos 45.
Yes, sir.
Secant 30 is how much?
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Cos square 90 is nothing but 0, right? What about cosec 30?
2.
Cosec 30 is nothing but 2. Secant
2.
60 is nothing but 2 again.
Yes, sir.
Cot 30 is nothing but root 3
Root 3 by 2.
whole square. Square and root cancel, you will get 3 here. 4 here. Square and root gets cancelled. It is 1 by 2. 3 times. This is 4 by 3. This is 0. This is 2 plus 2 is 4. This is square and root gets cancelled. You will get 3 here. 2 one time, 2 2 times, 3 3 gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 9 by 1 is nothing but 9 only. The answer is 9. Are you getting the same answer for this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, correct it now.
Sir, I have taken cot 30 root 3 by 2, sir. That's why I got
Okay. So whenever you are solving the question, whether you written the correct values or not, you have to again cross check after doing that. Okay, that is a good
okay, sir.
practice. For or otherwise, for example, it is a final examination. You written the same answer. After coming the home and if you are checking, you felt that I did wrong. What is the use of that one now after checking? No use. So in the examination itself, we have to cross check. That is a good practice.
Completed, sir.
Not completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, what is the next question we have?
41, sir. Tan 58 by cos 32 plus tan 42 by cot 48.
One second. Now tell me the question. Tan
Tan 58 by
okay, cot
sin, sir. Sin, sir.
okay, sin sin
Sir, can only sin, sir.
tan only sin.
Yes, sir.
Sin by
Cos
Cos 32.
sin 58. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి ప్రాపర్గా చెప్పండి.
Sin
Sir,
58 by cos 32, sir.
Okay, sin 58 by cos 32.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What next?
Tan 42 by
What next?
cot 48. Tan 42 by
Tan
cot
42.
48. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Next.
That's all,
That's much,
sir.
sir.
Okay, simple question. This is answer is 2. By seeing directly you can say 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, just to see we can write this sin is nothing but 90 minus 32 sin 58. Yes, this is also same.
$48.
Sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta.
Yes, sir.
So this is cot.
Yes,
1 plus 1 is nothing but 2.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have completed up to 11.3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we will start 11.4. So before going to that, we will see some identities, trigonometric identities. So with the help of identities, we are going to solve 11.4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we know that ABC is a right angle triangle in which right angle let be. So what is that Pythagoras theorem? Tell me. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus
Square.
adjacent square. For example, you think the angle at C. Hypotenuse is nothing but AC square. Opposite is AB square. This is nothing but BC square. Dividing with AC square on both sides. So that is AC square by AC square. AB square BC square by AC square. So here it is 1. So you can write this AB square by AC square and BC square by AC square. See, now we can write this AB by AC whole square, BC by AC whole square, that is equal to 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is AB? AB is nothing but opposite. AC is nothing but hypotenuse. Opposite nothing but sine theta whole square. Okay. This is nothing but cos theta whole square, that is equal to 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Take down.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Understood this first what I told you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is Pythagoras theorem. We are dividing with AC square on both sides. After that we are getting one identity. This is called trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Sir,
Remember that.
sir,
Yes.
we can
Tell me.
take BC square also, no, sir.
Where?
Dividing with any number we can take, sir, only AC.
Oh, we have three identities actually. So we will see the second one. Dividing with AB square and both sides, what you will get, you see. First we divided with AC square. Now we are dividing with AB square. So this is AC by AB whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now AC by AB, what is that? AC hypotenuse by opposite. This is 1. Here BC by AB. BC by AB means what you will get? BC is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse by opposite, what you will get? Tell me.
AC by AB.
Okay. Hypotenuse by opposite, what is that? Ratios లో ఏమొస్తుంది?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Cos theta na, sin theta na, like that I am asking. Tell me.
Cos theta, sir.
Cos theta it is.
Cos
Hypotenuse by
theta.
opposite. Cosec na?
Yes, sir.
Cosec theta. Okay. This is adjacent by opposite. Cot. Cosec square theta plus 1. This is cot square theta. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is a trigonometric identity 2. This is the second identity. First one I told you cot theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the second one. Copy down. Third one you have to do. Divide with BC square on both sides. What you are getting, you have to tell me.
Okay, sir.
Completed writing?
Sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we do the third one. Dividing with BC square on both sides. What you are getting, tell me.
Sir, sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1.
Okay, correct.
Correct, sir?
Yes, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Everyone getting the same?
Doing, sir, not completed.
Okay. What about you, Sunny? Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue.
Minus करना. So we write the plus. So the theta minus AB by AC AB by ABC AB by sub minus
Completed, everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed,
What you
sir.
got? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. You got, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, got it.
Okay, good. So these are the three identities. What we will say trigonometric identities. So these identities we are going to use in the next exercise to solve the problems. Okay. First you copy down the first question.
Okay, sir.
Remember this also. Whenever tan is there, you can simply write as sine by cos. Cot is there, cos by sine. Cosec is nothing but 1 by sine. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos. So here reciprocal also possible. Sine is nothing but 1 by cosec. Cos is nothing but Tan is nothing but 1 by cot. Cot tan. Okay, copy this.
Sir, that's all, sir. Answer first question.
First question.
First question answer is this, sir.
No. This is not the first question answer. Just some formulas like I am giving. Tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. Cot is nothing but cos by sin. Cosec is 1 by sin. Secant is 1 by cos. Like that.
Okay, sir.
Please, clear from Asma. Leave Asma from.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. What is the first question?
1 plus tan theta plus
Secant theta.
1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta.
Yes. This is the question we have. So just now I given tan is nothing but sin by cos. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos. This is also same, cos by sin. This is 1 by sin, right?
1 by sin.
Yes. Take the LCM here. What is the LCM? Cos is the LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1.
Sin.
Here also you take the
LCM is
LCM.
sin.
Sin theta is the LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, here then another plus 1 plus is there, no, sir? First.
Yes, 1 plus only we are getting here sin. Our LCM is sin. Here is cos. Okay.
Okay.
So here nothing is there means you have to take it as a 1 now. So
Yes, sir.
denominator is cos theta. Multiply and divide with cos. Here also 1. Multiply and divide with the sine. So you will get sine here. You will get cos here. So next step is just you do the multiplication. Cos is nothing but cos into sine. Cos into cos is nothing. Cos square theta. Cos into minus 1 is nothing but minus cos theta. Okay. Next with the sine. Sine into sine is nothing but sine square theta. Okay. Again,
Okay, sir.
sine into cos is nothing but sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Now multiply with 1. 1 into sine is nothing but sine cos minus 1 by, in the denominator, cos theta into sine theta. See here, any cancellation? Minus cos theta plus sine theta minus sine theta gets cancelled. Okay, now you see. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Sine theta cos theta is there. Here also sine theta cos theta is there. 2 times cos theta into sine theta.
We can do
By,
cancel now, sir. That also.
both are plus na.
Okay.
If it is one is plus, another one is minus, you can cancel it. But both having plus sign, we can't cancel, right?
Okay, sir.
Here is minus 1. So copy this up to here. I will explain.
సార్ అర్థం కాలే.
Where you not understood?
ఒకసారి మొత్తం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్ మళ్ళా.
ఫస్ట్ నీకు ఎక్కడ అర్థం కాలేదు చెప్తే నేను చెప్తాను.
సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ ఇంటూ.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏముంది? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ 1 plus tan is nothing but sin by cos. Second is nothing but 1 by cos. అది ఒకటే, అది క్లియర్గా ఉంది కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ స్టెప్లో ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎల్సిఎం cos theta is the LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి? ఇంటూ చేస్తున్నాం. వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఎలా చేస్తామనంటే, ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో కాస్ ఉంది కదా,
ఎస్ సార్.
ఈ కాస్ని ఒక్కొక్క దాంతో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ సైన్తో ఇంటూ చేస్తావు, సైన్ థీటాతో. కాస్ థీటా ఇంటూ సైన్ థీటా, కాస్ థీటా ఇంటూ సైన్ థీటా.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఈ కాస్ని మళ్ళీ కాస్ థీటాతో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. కాస్ ఇంటూ కాస్, కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా.
ఎస్
ఈ
సార్.
కాస్ని మైనస్ వన్తో ఇంటూ మైనస్ కాస్ థీటా. ఇక్కడ 3 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దీన్ని 3తో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 వస్తాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ సైన్ తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ 3తో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. సైన్ ఇంటూ సైన్ ఇస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా, సైన్ ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా ఇస్ సైన్ ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా మైనస్ సైన్ థీటా. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ 1తో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. అట్లా ఒక్కొక్క దాంతో ఇంటూ చేస్తే 1 వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్. మైనస్ సైన్ థీటా ప్లస్ సైన్ థీటా క్యాన్సిల్, కాస్ థీటా మైనస్ కాస్ థీటా క్యాన్సిల్. సో రిమైనింగ్ ఏముంటాయి? కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా హియర్. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సైన్ థీటా కాస్ థీటా, సైన్ థీటా కాస్ థీటా. ఈ రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
1 + 1 is 2 సైన్ థీటా కాస్ థీటా అవుతుంది. ఈ -1 రాసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ.
సార్ ఇక్కడ 2 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది సార్?
ఇది సేమ్ ఉందా లేదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఎక్స్ అనుకో, ఇది ఎక్స్ అనుకో, ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 2x అవుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్.
లైక్ దట్ 2 times కాస్ థీటా సైన్ థీటా. Completed.
No,
నాట్ కంప్లీట్ సార్. నాట్.
First step not written.
I'm writing now only.
Okay, this is a step 1. This is step 2 continuation.
Completed, sir.
Not completed. Completed, sir.
Yes, here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Just now we have identities, I told you now. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 only. Yes or no? ఇప్పుడు రాసాం కదా మనం
Yes,
sin
yes.
square theta plus
Yes,
cos
sir.
square theta is equal to 1 అని చెప్పి
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ట్రిగనామెట్రిక్ ఐడెంటిటీస్ అని చెప్పి రాసుకున్నామా లేదా? సో హియర్
Yes.
దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1.
Yes, yes.
ఈ రెండు కలిపి 1 అయిపోతుంది. దిస్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. హియర్ -1 +1 -1 క్యాన్సిల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ 2 cos theta into sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Both gets cancelled, you will get the answer is 2. So this is the final answer. Copy down.
Completed, sir. Rule.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Up to here you practice. Tomorrow we will continue our class.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.